Hello there, family and friends. View from across the world. Joey Jones is back on the road. But first, let me say, it's been a while. I haven't been logged in YouTube. First, let me say, congratulations to all the ones that got their CDLs. And keep doing it, man. Keep moving forward. Don't give up. I have a lot of, I have a couple of drivers that are already with their mentors. And they get ready to quit, man. Don't quit, man. So please don't. I'm not telling you, like, you know, keep moving forward. Don't give up, you know, because you just started. It's like you started everything for nothing. You know, you just don't want to quit, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Once you got all your experience, you're gonna be the happiest man. I'm telling you, because right now I've been doing this for 13 months already, man. Don't owe nobody, don't owe Sierra England, don't owe anybody. You know, now I earned it. Now I can go just about anywhere, you know, but I'm not moving. I'm not moving, you know, I'm not moving. I'm not planning to move anytime soon. You know, from what I meant to say is, you know, quit and go elsewhere. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that yet. But yes, I mean, from my experience, it was tough, man. It was rough because the worst was backing. You know, backing. Every time I went to a customer, I felt embarrassed because, you know, I had to go and find where to park it at. Sometimes I had to go to customer and I'm sorry they couldn't put it where you told me at. You know, I put a straight line back on a different line because that's all we did. We were straight line back. You know, that's basically what I did a lot, you know, until I got better at 90 and 45. Now I make it anywhere. Now I just put it anywhere. I am on a day cab, and a day cab, it's about 2 feet shorter than the sleeper because it doesn't have the bed, you know. But yeah, don't give up, man. There's a lot of people and that are and also I also have a couple of guys that do have the CDLs, but they don't have the license. So you're still a student, even if you have your license. If you don't have drivable experience, you know, and you can prove that you have experience, then you're just a student, just like that. You're just a student. So all they're gonna do is, if you go to the company and you have no experience, they're gonna put you on the student list. So you're still gonna be around with a mentor. You know, you're still gonna be around with a mentor. And what would they verify that? Because who you drove for is the first thing they're gonna ask you. How much experience do you have? You know, because the more experience you have, the cleaner record you have, it's even better for you because they will give you a truck and you're on your own. And of course, there's a lot of people that are still over the road and are planning or just dying to get out from being over the road. And I also have a couple of guys that are still over the road and haven't finished phase 1. I always said it, I'm gonna say it again. Finish the 3-month. Once you get at least 3 months experience, then you figure out what you want to do next. Because not everybody wants to be over the road. Not everybody wants to live in a truck. I did it myself. I'm telling you right now. I did phase 1, and once I was gonna upgrade, I did upgrade it. Upgraded to a different company. Tell you that much, because I didn't jump on nobody else's truck. No, I didn't. You know, so there it is, you know. And of course, if you need to talk to me, I'll answer you. You know, I helped out a lot of people, I'm telling you. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. So yeah, do what you have to do, and you keep it posted, you know. Send me an email, right? So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. Love y'all. I'll see you in my next video.